You are getting paid $1 for editing a reel. What a mind-blowing offer. That too on Upwork, which also charges you the platform fees. So you must have read my title, Why Upwork Hate Editors. This video, I'm going to share my real-time experience with screenshots of a client who in a way scammed me, and Upwork's dispute system didn't even help me a bit. I recently updated my profile on Upwork, on which I even made a video previously. Then I received a sample from this client and everything went well, and he even sent me a contract. And I was hired, though he seemed a bit interested in some other editor who wasn't responding to him. I didn't think much about this, but honestly, that was the first red flag. He immediately viewed it and sent a few revisions, which was completely normal. I worked on revisions and shared the updated version to him. Then he again came back with a new set of revisions. But this time, he also shared the other editor's sample edit. He told me he wanted the reel exactly like that. Now imagine this situation. You have completed the edit, but suddenly the whole style and direction changes. I politely told him that changing the whole reel at this stage wouldn't be possible, but I could adjust some animations to match his requirement. He agreed, so I revised the reel and sent it. But once again, he was unhappy. Another message, another set of new changes, and a complete new direction. At this point, I thought it was my fault, so I revised the reel for the third time. After spending hours refining it, I sent it again, hoping this would finally be approved. But instead, he sent another list of changes. And honestly, at that point, I was frustrated. So I politely told him that I will implement these new changes from the next reel. But he didn't agree. He ended the contract over there. And here comes the worst part. I didn't receive even the half payment for that project. Even after editing the whole video, revising it for 3 times, and investing hours of work on it. So I filed the dispute through Upwork, thinking the platform might support the freelancers. But the dispute system in my case didn't help at all. And that's exactly why I said, why Upwork hate editors. Think about how the system works. We as freelancers or editors spend our connects to apply for a job. Even if the recruiter doesn't respond, our connects are gone. If we withdraw our proposal, our connects are still gone. Then you work on a project, you spend your time on it, then you might not receive even a single dollar until the client approves it, which means unlimited revisions and no security. So my genuine question is, why we freelancers are paying platform fees to Upwork when we are not getting security when we need. Don't get me wrong, all clients are not the same. I have genuinely worked with some amazing people as well. But experiences like this make freelancing stressful, especially for video editors whose work require creativity, time, and multiple revisions. So I want to know your experience on Upwork or any similar platform. Drop your story in the comments, because freelancers need to talk about this openly. And if you are an editor trying to survive in 2026, believe me, you are not alone.